Hi guys, it's Christopher with Funtown RV. Right now we are in Corsicana's indoor showroom, temperature controlled, where the only hot thing is going to be those prices. We're going to be doing a video walkthrough of the 360IBL. Let's take a look. So as soon as we get right here, we're going to have our outside speakers. They're going to be marine grade. Right here is going to be your propane storage. It's going to be on both sides. And of course, we have this humongous pass-through storage right here. What's great about these doors, they are magnets. So you put them up, make sure they lock, and you don't have to worry about any latches or anything like that. And then whenever we're ready and we're done, let's go have some fun. As we continue on, you're going to notice it is already prepped for the Furrion side cameras. But also we have those plugs underneath, so whether it's game day or you just want to watch a video at the campsite, we have you covered. Right here, we're going to have the Lippert solid step. So super easy step. We're going to secure it just like that. You're always going to want to make sure your door is all the way open. That way these little parts right here never catch it, never rip, and we're ready to have some fun. Whenever you get to the campsite, you're going to bring this bad boy down just like this. We have pins on both sides. That's so you can adjust the legs. So no matter what terrain you're on, whether it's rocks, gravel, pavement, or even dirt, we're going to make sure that solid, easy step going all the way in. Of course, we have our Solaire 12-volt awning with our light strip above. But what's great about these is you used to have to hand crank them in to drain the water off. They will collapse by themselves, pop out, and then drain the water off. Then as we continue on, guys, we're going to notice some of those key features that are going to be on the back side of this camper. One's going to be our Furrion rear camera. So whether you're an experienced camper or it's your first time, it's going to be great with backing up or eliminating those blind spots as you're going down the road. This Chaparral also has a ladder on the back. That way you have that walkable roof and you're able to clean it off. All right, guys, on our off-door side, we're going to have our wet bay, all our control central for the outside. So whether it's hooking up the satellite and cable, hooking up your black tank, city water connection, or just controlling your levers for your black and gray tank. But also we're going to have our battery disconnect right here, and then our front cap light control is right there. All right, guys, now that we took a look at the outside of this 360 IBL, before we head in, make sure to like, follow, and share, and comment with any questions or any campers you'd love to see other videos on. Let's go inside. All right, guys, now that we're inside, we have that 4-person dinette right here. We have the extra leaf right here. So this slides all the way back, folds down for whenever we're going down the road. But whenever we're ready, need a little extra table room, slides out just like that. All right, guys, as we go into the living room, we have these Thomas Paine recliners right here. Of course, we got to have the cubby for all the hidden snacks, remotes, and all the other goodies. But guys, it's super easy to recline. We're right across from our fireplace, our TV right there. Been a little stressful, we're ready to relax at the campsite. We have that vibration, heated seats, and we turn on the lights. And we're ready to have some fun. And then right next to me, we're gonna have the extra sleeping area. Don't worry, you don't have to tell anyone about it that you don't want to stay the night, but if you do have those friends and you wanna have them come out, spend some time with you, it's as easy as this. We just click, down just like that. And we're ready for bed. And then it's morning time, we're ready to go, ready to have fun, start the day. We'll just pop this right back up. It was never there. Of course, guys, right above me, we're gonna have those ceiling fan. So it's all about bringing those amenities from home on the go with you. Again, with those amenities, we're gonna have this fireplace right here. It's gonna be a 12-volt fireplace. It's going to be able to not only produce heat, but also give that ambiance of the fire. So whether you're setting the mood or just a little cold, they have you covered. Guys, right above my fireplace, of course, we're going to have our TV stereo and our entertainment area. So you can be the life of the party, game day, campsite, it doesn't matter. You're all good, set up right next to our bar right here. Of course, we're going to have our bar stools underneath, our pantry room right here. And then, of course, our 3-burner stove, oven, and microwave above that. But guys, right here, it's going to be that ever-chill fridge and freezer. Plenty of room in there for all those nice cold goodies. And then I love this sink and island concept right here. Plenty of room. The accent lights are great features. But then let's say you need the extra counter space. No worries. Chaparral has you covered. And we have all that extra counter space for prepping for the party and prepping for fun. All right, guys, I know having fun can be tiresome. You need to rest and rejuvenate to have more fun. Well, don't worry. Right here, guys, is going to be that mid-bunk. We have a couple of interns here right now. They are so prepped and ready for more fun. They're taking a snoozer real quick and ready to start more. We just took a look at that mid-bunk, that awesome feature. Let's go ahead and head upstairs. As we get to the top of the stairwell, of course, we're going to have our control central right here. So checking our tanks, our slide controls, our awnings, our heater for our water heater is going to be electric or gas. We're able to control that in here. But then right next to that, we're going to continue on into our bathroom. All right, guys, we are in the 360IBL bathroom. Plenty of space. Guys, I want you to notice I'm sitting down on the stool right now. I stand up. Guys, I'm 6'4". Look how much headspace is right here. Plenty of room, plenty of shower, plenty of storage in the bathroom alone, above and below the sink. And then, of course, having the toilet in here, the exhaust fan. Let's go check out that bedroom. All right, guys, now that we're in the master bedroom, there's a few key features I want to point out here. One, we're going to have our second AC. It's going to be washer dryer prep. So it's all about the amenities from home on the go, but also you're able to have the TV in here with the TV hookups above. But then check out this storage. Guys, there is so much room for all those goodies for fun. All right, guys, we just took a look at the Chaparral 360IBL. Make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.
Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.